cheating is a choice. Like, kabalo sila na somehow masakpan sila. I want you to think about your identity. What is true? Because God is not the God of confusion. God is clear. What is true? You are the wife. So sa mata sa Ginoo, ikaw ang nakatalaga na asawa o helpmates imong bana. Kanang kabit, dili na nimo siya kakompetensya. Dili mo equal ana kay kamo gikan sa Ginoo. So as a wife, do not look at, I did that. I'm guilty of that. I lost 30 pounds. Nagpa-sexy ko. Kay makigkompetensya ko. Ayaw, do not. Nagsilbi ko tarong-tarong kay because I want to get my husband back. Like, I was thinking like, makikompetensya ko. Unsa man na siya kagwapa, unsa man na siya ka-sexy. But no, that's the wrong way to attack. Because we are not battling flesh and blood, we are battling spiritual warfare spiritual warfare ang infidelity, because Satan hates marriages. Kaya ang exact reflection of God's relationship to us is tangible sa marriage. So dili ang tuyo gyud sa mitaning is to kill, steal, and destroy. Ang marriage jud na ang iyang puntaryahon. Kay once your marriage is broken, especially when you have children, those children will also lose their belief on the sanctity of marriage na kanigiuban sa Ginoo. So for example, if na-divorce me yun, nadayunan mi sa ako ang bana, na-divorce me. So my children would think in their future marriages, mama o papa gani, nag-divorce man, okay ba sila? Versus, if we fight with God by our side, and parang really reconciled, really forgive, like genuine forgiveness, then our children was like, si mama o si papa, nalagpasan nila to, and we saw how they sought Christ, how they sought God's help para mag-heal silang duha after the betrayal. So that's what we always think about, na like people would say na, nagbalik lang na tungod sa mga bata. It may or may not be true, but what is important? What's important is our legacy. Did we live a life pleasing to God? And what's pleasing to God is atong i-honor ang marriage. So I know like weak man na siya,